I just pulled this wagon out of the box. It comes in its own case here, and it does come with a little instruction manual. So let's take the case off and see what exactly this looks like and how it works. So we'll pull that off. It has an extra piece here in the pocket of the case. And then we're just going to expand it. It is fully expanded. We're going to take the base plates. It came with 2 of these. Just unfold it and put it right inside. And then I'm going to do that with the other one as well. It'll help stabilize it. And this is a really nice size. So we have the double compartments, one on bottom, one on top. And then let me actually turn this to the side here. So we have the side pockets here out of mesh. So you can slide whatever you want to right here. And then also inside. And then if we keep turning it around, this is the side with the handle. So all you do is pull that right up, and then you can bend it down and pull it where you want to. And then there is a little button right down here that you would press to release the handle. And then you can press it down and put it back in storage. So we're going to leave that up for now. And there's also 2 drink pockets on this side. And let me turn it around one more time here. So there's actually a back door that you can open. You can fold this side down like so, and then you can slide whatever you need to underneath. And there's also clips that you can clip into place to make sure that the door stays up. So let me clip those into place, one on each side. And then on 2 of the tires, they have locks, so you just press this down, lock it into place, and then to unlock it, you'll press the top button, and that snaps back up, and you can do it on this side too. Okay, I'm at the park with friends. I'm gonna put all of our stuff in my own wagon. So I've expanded it. I've put that panel in the top, and I'm actually going to switch and put that second panel in the bottom. But I've opened up the handle, and this collapsible wagon cart with wheels is 54.7 inches, and it has 400-liter extra large storage capacity and 560-pound loading capacity. It also has that extending layer at the bottom, so those chairs hang out, and it's great for, having longer items just to slide into the bottom. And it fits a ton of stuff. You can see I'm loading it up. So this is great to take to the park or to like a soccer tournament or something like that for kids. And it's easy to pull, as you can see here. And those wheels are awesome. So it is just going over the grass perfectly. Would definitely recommend. Love this. What's sent for review?